Hey there! So, picture this common problem. When you're out and about with bad cellular reception, your iPhone ends up draining more battery than usual. Ever wonder why? Well, it turns out that in those situations, your phone ramps up its power usage to try and establish a connection with cell towers. It's like shouting louder to be heard when someone's far away, only your phone's doing it automatically and draining your battery in the process. Annoying, right? But fret not, because today we're diving into this problem to find a solution that works for you. Now let's talk about the solution. One option is to enable low power mode on your iPhone. This nifty feature helps conserve battery life by reducing power consumption, especially when the signal strength is weak and your phone's amplifier needs to work harder. Another solution is to switch on airplane mode. By doing this, you can enjoy extended battery life and limit your phone's connectivity to just Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, saving precious cellular energy for when you're closer to a cell tower. And lastly, you could consider investing in a cellular booster. This nifty device can help improve your phone's reception by acting as a mediator between your device and the distant tower, ultimately saving energy in the process. In summary, by exploring the options like a low power mode, airplane mode, or even a cellular booster, you can tackle the battery drain issue caused by poor cellular reception. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so feel free to experiment and see which option works best for your specific needs. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, stay charged up and connected.